Welcome to Indian Human Rights Organization. In this video, you would learn how to register a complaint with Indian Human Rights Organization. So, step by step, we would learn everything. It is as simple as doing a math of class 2. Just you have to open the Google and you can see the search bar here. This is so simple, and we have to click on the search bar, and we have to write here care ihro.com, and we have to search it. And as we have searched beforehand, so it is showing that the URL is for the home page of Indian Human Rights Organization. Now we are on the website of Indian Human Rights Organization. So this is the front page, this is our home page, and you can see that it is well designed, and here are our star performers. So let us have a bird's eye view on the website of Indian Human Rights Organization. So this is the front page, this is the home page, and there are a number of cells, there are a number of divisions, and we are working with more than 20,000 of volunteers. You can join here with us simply by clicking on the link. You can contact us. There is a contact page. You can see our contact details, and you can also send us a message if you want. So all the details are clearly mentioned on our website. Now if you want to give your feedback or tell something to us, you can write here. It is very simple. You have to write your name, your contact, and your message, and you can directly send the message to us. So there is one about page. You can see here after the home there is one option available, about. You can learn more about Indian Human Rights Organization from this about section. You have to click here, and you can also find all the details about our team, and you can join our team from here also. Now you would learn how to register a complaint with IHRO. You have to go to the activities tab, and here is the complaint section. You can find here, this is the complaint section. You have to click on the complaint, and a form would be opened. You can see the form there. You have to put all the details of your complaint and send us directly. Now the most important part of the video, how to fill up the form. You can see here is the complaints details. It is not complaints details, it would be complainants details. So who is registering the complaint, you have to fill up the details of that first. For example, I am filling the form, so I would put my details here. A person named A is filling the form. Here would be the details of the person named A. Here is the full name. So who is filling the form? The full name of that person will be here. The gender, the address, district, state, PIN code, contact number, and email ID. All these details you have to put here. After that, you have to put the incident's details. Incident, where the incident took place. The incident place, it can be a town, a village, a city, or anywhere. Then you have to put the incident state and incident district and the date and time of the incident. This is so simple. Anyone can fill up the form. Then we have the victim's details. We have to put here the victim's name. Now we have to write the number of victims. If there are a number of people who got affected by the incident, you have to write each and every name of the people. We have to write their address, the district, the state, PIN code, religion, caste, gender, age, and whether they are disabled person or not, we have to mention all these details here. Then we have to write the details of the incident, the brief summary of the facts, and if in the incident human rights are violated, if any of the human rights both in international context and in Indian context, if any of the human rights are violated, you have to mention them. Then we have another section, that is the whether similar complaint has been filed before the court, SHRC, NHRC. If the incident is reported to any of these government bodies, courts, SHRC or NHRC, State Human Rights Commission or National Human Rights Commission, or to any court, you have to mention that here. Now you have to write your prayers. Prayer simply means what you desire the Indian Human Rights Organization to do for you. You have to write all your desires, all your prayers here. Then the most important part, explanation of your grievance or complaint. You have to write the brief summary and all the factual details of the incident. Now before finally submitting the form, we have to upload all the available evidences in a single PDF file. We have to make a PDF file with all the evidences we have connecting to the incident, and we have to upload it here. Then you have to click on the accept terms and conditions and simply submit the complaint to Indian Human Rights Organization. So all these are very simple. Maybe it is looking hard, but it is actually not. We have also the PDF version of the complaint form. If you want the PDF version of the complaint form, you have to dial our official number and you will get the PDF form in your WhatsApp or email ID. So now I think this is clear how to fill up the complaint form and how to seek justice from Indian Human Rights Organization. Though we can't directly execute things, but yes, we would fight for you. This is our promise. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel, and if you want to be a part of Indian Human Rights Organization, just visit our website or call in our official number. Thank you so much. Meet in the next video.